Hello and welcome back to Toy Collector TV. Today we're going to build this Lego Friends Little Foal set. This looks absolutely adorable. Let's build this thing. Here's our adorable little foal. We'll start by building this pink water trough so our horse has something to drink out of. And then we'll stack some hay bales. Now we'll start building the walls for the stall. And there's some little hooks here on the side. And now we've got these stable doors that open and close. Now continuing to build the walls of the stall. We've got this cute little fence for the back. Look who stopped by to help me out. It's Mia. She brought the bottle for the foal. Just put it right here, Mia. And look, Stephanie's here as well. She brought the brush. Let's put the brush over here. Thank you so much for your help. And we're continuing to just build up the walls a little more. And here's a little spigot for the water to pour into the trough. And now we're ready for a little roof to give our horse some shade. Now we'll add a little bit of greenery here and put some flowers on. Pretty red flowers. And some for the other side. And one last finishing touch. And now our adorable stable is all ready for the foal. This is so cute. We've got our little brush and bottle here and our little stable doors that open up. Now we just need to add this last piece with the hay bales and the water trough. Looks like our foal is thirsty. Come on, in you go. Good girl. Now it's time for a little grooming. Sounds like you're hungry. Leave a comment and let me know what we should name the horse. If you enjoyed this Lego Friends video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun videos. Thanks for watching.